have a few exciting things happening. Number one, it is the very first snowfall in Whistler today, and it is absolutely beautiful, and we're going out on a hike. And number two, my parents have come to visit. I'm so excited. They are here for a few days visiting us. They rented an Airbnb, so we've been enjoying some indoor life. So yeah, that is what's happening this week, and let's go explore Whistler in the snow. It started snowing last night, late in the evening, and continuous all night, and there is so much snow here, probably at least 6 inches of snow accumulated, and it is still coming down. It's an absolute winter wonderland, and our first winter hike of the season.
We need
You're in your element.
I love snow. We need
Yes.
goggles.
So the hike is 2.3 kilometers. The first about half is a slow, gradual uphill, but I forgot how hard it is to hike in the snow, and I'm already exhausted.
Yeah, we're literally just post-holing our way all the way up to the top.
There's probably like this much snow, but I'm getting warm. It's good exercise. It's like past my ankles for sure. I don't know if you can see the mountains in the distance. It's pretty snowy, but it's amazing. You just know they're there.
Let's go.
Hike complete. Taking a little break from exploring to do some much needed chores. We are heading to the dump station and recycle center to get rid of some recycling, obviously. But one of the issues that we might be facing is that the man who works at the dump station said that when it gets cold, obviously they're going to turn the taps off so that nothing freezes. Because it is snowing today, we are not sure if the water is going to be open. Fingers crossed. If it is not, we are honestly not sure where else to fill up with water, so that'll be another issue to deal with. But yeah, for most of the winter, the taps will be closed off, so we'll have to find some other external water source to source from that, or we'll have to get giant jugs and just dump them in manually with a funnel. Yeah. But we'll see today. It's still kind of early in the season, so we'll never know. This is the first time we're testing out our new KO2s in the winter.
So far, so good. I mean, no, I don't want to jinx it or anything, but we slow down and we go when I say, so I don't know.
That's a good sign. Good choice.
Yeah. Dun dun dun.
And the dump station too. Well, I don't know what to do now. The dump station is closed for the winter. If anyone happens to know Whistler, where else we can dump our gray tank and the pee jug of our toilet, let me know. Okay. So the dump station is closed, but
We got a giant funnel. I think this would be really good though. We'll get one of those big blue jugs, and then that way the whole friggin' thing can just dump into our the back of our hose. Comes with a funnel or a filter too. See how it works. I don't know.
All right, we just wanted to give you a quick little tour of the Airbnb that my parents have rented for the week. This is in a cute little neighborhood called the Gables in Whistler. So this is a little space. When you come in, you have the entryway, there's a closet, you can put your coats in, everything like that. Then it opens up into this space here. It's a nice open concept. We have the kitchen. We haven't cooked any meals in here yet, but we're going to tonight. One of the main reasons that they got was for the laundry for us. So we've done probably about 5 loads of laundry since we've been here so far. We also have the dining table, seats 4, which is really nice. Let me show the dining table. The edges is gonna be quick. So we have a dining table that seats 4. Coming down, walk down these 2 steps into the living room. Mom and Dad. A few things about this place, which is really nice. We have a wood-burning fireplace, which I absolutely love. We have a beautiful view of the snow falling outside. Beautiful. And then, nothing fancy, but we have the bathroom, which we're taking full advantage of having a nice hot shower. And it is a 1-bedroom place, so have a bedroom in here as well, a queen-size bed, and a big closet as well with lots of storage. And that about concludes it. It's been really nice being inside. It's a little different than being cramped in the van. We have a lot more space to move around, hot showers and laundry, which we are loving. So yeah, good place to rent if you're coming to Whistler.
Do we get a discount for that ad?
No. Well, if we possibly... We'll contact the Airbnb lady. I don't know if you watched our video a few weeks ago, but I made this soup before. It's the cauliflower, veggie sausage, and kale soup. And it's nice on a cold, snowy day, so we are making that again. And it's super easy. Again, this time we still don't have an immersion blender, but we have a normal blender, so hopefully that'll work a little bit better than what I did last time. The bread monster. It's a lot more creamy than last time I made it, so that's good. What do you think of the soup?
I think it's better than mine.
Better than your cauliflower soup?
Yes.
Actually?
Yes.
Not as good as potato leek.
Okay, I'll take the credit for the potato leek, but I will give you credit for this delicious, amazing soup. Yes.
Good.
It's fantastic. 10 out of 10.
Yay!
Yay.
All right, rating number 2. Compared to last time.
9.5 out of 10.
What did you give me last time?
A 9.
Did you?
No.
So went up half?
Mm-hmm. It's not as like thick pieces of cauliflower.
It's creamy.
Mm-hmm.
You like it chunky.
No, I liked it creamier.
Oh, right. That's
We are just going to watch a movie tonight, enjoy the nice fireplace, and take it easy. So thank you for joining us this week. We are super excited that my parents could come visit. Mm-hmm. And we will see you next time. Yeah, see you next time. Good night.
Literally though, it's like a pillow.
Ah, comfy.
It's so deep, it's actually very comfy. A little cold.
Like, this is the biggest falls in North America.
You're just really close to the camera, so it looks really small because it's far away.
That's because I'm so close to it.
Alright, now don't slip. This is going to be the best part.
They went out over there.
Keep rolling.